Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a super cute animated doll using the Twinface app. And the best part is it's free and really easy to use. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Twinface app and then next if you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download it from there. And then next just log in using your Google account, and don't worry, Twinface will give you free weekly credit so you can generate these cute doll animations without paying anything. And then after logging in, you will be on the home page like this, and then just simply tap on Magic Effect like this. And then this is where all the fun editing effects are located. And then next, just inside this Magic Effect, just scroll until you find the template that name transforming doll. This one, just tap on it. This effect instantly turns your regular photo into an adorable animated doll with chubby chubby face and then big eyes, smooth skin and cute expressions like this. And then next, just simply upload or choose the photo that you want to transform. Just use a clear pictures of yourself, preferably with good lighting and your face fully visible, because this will help the app generate a cleaner, more accurate doll animations. And just tap on plus button to choose your photo. And then next, just choose the photo that you want to transform. And then just tap on confirm. And when you're done, just tap on create. It will take 1 credit. And okay, like this, your cute animated doll versions will instantly appear like this. Just look at this, look at how adorable this result is. The smooth skin and then the cute eyes and the charming little expressions. It's really cute and it really turns from any photo into a doll-like animation in just one tap like this. And so that's how you can turn your photo into a cute animated doll using Dreamface. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!